It's time for me to make some bath bombs for the Christmas, for my Black Friday mystery box. So I've mixed all my dry ingredients in here. Baking soda, cream of tartar, and SCI, which is give the bubbles. It's known as a surfactant. My cocoa butters in there and the fragrance. Some polysorbate for the cocoa butter. And oh, this smells really good, guys. Okay, so I have this stuff in. I added my blood orange essential oils to this. So, and add my liquid to that. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. You guys know I felt that. Hi guys, so you saw what happened. Guess what I did? I used the wrong ingredient. I did not use the baking soda, I used rice flour. So that's the reason why this bath bomb did not come out right, and it's dusty and dry. So it did the bath bomb did harden up. I had to wet it really good. Even with the same recipe, I would still have to wet it for the container that I'm using, for the mold that I'm using for the star. So I do have a recipe. I think it's in my group. So you might want to double check with the link provided below in the description part of the video, below this video. And I have to be really careful to use the right ingredients and pay attention to the labels and not put any ingredients in the wrong container. So that is it, guys.